If you don't know what you're doing, it's a jungle out there.
You have to first believe that your dreams can come true for them to happen. If you don't believe they can come true, it's not going to happen.
The first thing I want to do is describe for you 3 sets of skills, of traits, of characteristics that some of the most successful, powerful people living have. After a while, you start hearing the same themes over and over again. And in fact, they're very much the same themes that Abraham Maslow, who was the great psychologist in the middle part of the century, described for us in his hierarchy of needs. A lot of you are probably familiar with his pyramid. Human beings have basic needs: safety, security, love, food, shelter. And then when you get to the higher levels of this pyramid, you start getting to some really interesting core philosophical stuff that throughout the ages people have talked about. And he gave it to us through a psychological prism. These characters give it to us in their own way, through their own personalities, demonstrate it through their own success. And the best part about it is, these skills, for the most part, are learnable. These people are very talented, they're high energy, but in terms of devotion to what they're doing, to understanding the marketplace, to moving forward in the face of anxiety, indecision, all those things, and there are many more beyond the first 3 that we're looking at, these are traits, characteristics, skills that you can adopt